Hello, friends. Hello. See, we get some snow and the city ice scrapers come by and clear the road. And guess where it ends up? Looks great, doesn't it? Now, this vehicle is actually in pretty decent shape. This is a 2011 Dodge. Oh my gosh. Chevy Impala. We're not going to do much with it, but we are going to try and get that off of the dash. Some kind of sticky stuff. And we're going to do some vacuuming, and that's really it other than the exterior. Some more vacuuming. We'll do a little bit of wiping down, obviously, but the majority of this is going to be vacuuming. Alrighty, quick and simple interior, all done. Looking good. Now we just got to figure out this exterior. Only one problem. I forgot to bring a gallon of water. Well, I used a half a gallon of water that my dad had, so we got her done, and it's looking good. So is the inside. Just remember, when it's already clean, don't get crazy with it. Just get her done. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.